Hi guys, hello everyone. This is Kia Crypto, and I'm talking to you regarding the recent update on Bitcoin. These videos are usually for my premium members, but this time I'm gonna share it on a free channel, and also this way the leakers have difficulty to steal the intellectual behind these videos and publish it as their own. Therefore, I decided to come up with these videos to make it easier also for me to explain myself. So here you are, the first video. Please be sure that you subscribe to our TV channel, Trading View channel, and also our Twitter account. And please subscribe and visit our website, T Academy. Pro. Well, we expected the Bitcoin dips from 7,800 to 6,900, 800, and that happened. Also, Bitcoin surprised us by continuing the way down, supported by a huge with a good red volume breaking the purple line. The guys following me know that I use the style that I prefer for my TA is consisting of 4 colorful lines. The first one is the red one. As you can see, it's 21 days moving average. Then I have the blue line, is 55 days moving average. I use it for the instead of 50 days, I use 55 days. Then I have the pink one, which is 144 days. I have a purple one, which is 233 days. And these numbers I chose according to Fibonacci numbers. So what's gonna happen? You know, on my channel, I warn my followers that be careful. Since 2014, the red line passed the pink line, and that's a strong bearish signal. And just 2 days or 1 day after, we observed this sharp dip to the pink color, to the purple color. The purple color is almost stands for a yearly, let's say yearly moving average, 233, and the classical way they use 200 days. I use 233, and then with the huge volume the Bitcoin was able to break that line, and now that line acts like a strong resistance. What does it mean? It means that we expect a goodbye case. Yet goodbye case happened 2-3 times, and if Bitcoin wants to break it, we need a good pump. We need a good pump supported by a good volume to break it again, stabilize there. Why we need a good volume? If the pump follows by a faint volume, then probably it's not gonna hold. So therefore we need a good volume here to break it and then continue the way up. Still the Bitcoin is trading inside the descending triangle right after such a rise in a Bitcoin. In a long term, if you look at it, for me it looks like a bullish pennant, or yeah, it's like a descending triangle. And after such a rise we had a correction, and then up, down, and now we are here. So I expect a pump back up to touch the selling pressure line. I call this one selling pressure line, and I call this one the buying pressure line, or you can call it as a support or the resistance of the pattern. And then the red line is around 7,800. So the Bitcoin cannot be bullish as long as it's trading below 8K. Why I say 8K? Because we need to make another higher high. The Bitcoin was as 20, then in a correction made another lower high, correction, made another lower high here, and then the Bitcoin is continuing to make lower highs one after another, and now the recent lower high was at the 8K. So one of the signals of the trend reversal is when Bitcoin is able to break that pattern. So if Bitcoin breaks 8K and go up after the blue line around 8K 600 700, then it's gonna break that pattern of creating more lower lows, and then we can look at this movement as a reversal signal. So till then, guys, trade safe. Please, when influencers or other channels, they have the least experience in trading and they run a channel, you don't know who's running a channel, right? Then don't listen to them, guys. They are talking about the Bitcoin to the 100K, 50K. One day Bitcoin gets there, but I hate the term hodl. I always say adapt yourself to the market, and no market goes down, we shorting it. Then when the market gets bullish, we're gonna go and long Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin. So do take care, guys. I made this 5-6 minutes video to talk to you for the first time, and then also somehow for our premium members in my channel, we're gonna have repeatedly these videos, and then I explain them the situation and then how they can set up their own trades. But I received a question that what's gonna be the minimum price I see here. The minimum price I expect Bitcoin goes is around 6,450 based on the trend. And after I expect a reversal back to touch around 7,500, which the pivot point lies of the recent trend, and provided we get a good volume breaking 6,800. If it doesn't happen, if we don't see if the Bitcoin breaks that trend line, it can be a bear trap here, because when the Bitcoin breaks that point, goes below 6,400, 500, many TAs are calling that line for that price for the bottom. So if the Bitcoin goes lower than, panic sell starts, and then or many open shorts, and it's a good opportunity to liquidate shorts here by a huge pump. So we have to be really cautious at this time. The last price I see at the moment is 6,450, around 6,500, and the resistance is at 6,820. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Ciao.